Are you looking for a place to stay in Whitby? Well, you're in the right place. We're up on the West Cliff looking at the mini metro run by iStayWhitby.
Now, I haven't actually set this up since I had my new phone, but we've got an Atlas key app here, and you can set it so it sets a QR, code. So you open the app up, and then you just show the QR code on the screen like that, and it opens the door. And every time it opens it, you regenerate the key. So it changes for security. So you can't have someone screenshot it, and then every time it just regenerates it. So it's like bank grade security these.
Alright. Yeah, that's good.
So I can't show you upstairs because we've got a guest in.
Alright.
We set the code up individually for each guest.
Oh, yeah, very nice. So, it looks small from outside, doesn't it? It's surprising how much space there is. Nice spacious shower. Is that a sofa bed as well, is it, or not?
That's a sofa bed,
is it?
Yeah.
So how many does this sleep then?
Three. Two and then one on the sofa bed.
Yeah. You've got a nice roof light there to let out lighting. Yeah, it makes all the difference, that, doesn't it? Like I say, it would be a bit dark and dingy without all that light coming in, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it was. It's made so much difference putting that in. So the back of the building actually comes across this line here. So this little projection used to be a porch, and there used to be a garage that don't belong to us. So we just pushed this wall out, put a steel in there, built a new wall at the back, and then just dropped the kitchen across there. It's perfect.
Yeah.
So what we've got here is got a little two hob, little built-in fridge.
Yeah.
And then this is a combination microwave oven. So as well as having the microwave, you've got a little oven as well. So it's been designed and built for the holiday let market. If you notice, there's no washing machine.
So you don't need that.
You don't need it, but it's specifically been designed for this
just
market.
basic cooking facilities is what people need. Just to
each room's got its own zone for the heating. So all the heating's in the ceiling. And the ceiling just radiates the heat down, and each zone is controlled individually. Or we've even got occupancy sensors just above your head here. So what will happen is that set it on like 10 degrees. If no one's in for a couple of days and it doesn't sense anyone in here, it'll keep the temperature down.
That's good, that, isn't it?
Yeah. I will. You've got them to put some more lights on. There you go, mate.
You've got plenty of storage space in here, drawers, wardrobe, everything. Yeah, nice that.
Yeah.
That's the first floor apartment. There is another apartment upstairs, but we can't have a look up there because there's a guest in there. We're lovely on that balcony in the morning, having a coffee, looking out over there to the sea. If you're looking for somewhere to stay in Whitby, West Cliff, good location, check out iStayWhitby. Follow their Facebook page and book direct for the best prices. And you've got a good location on the West Cliff right there, the Metropole, sea views.
It looks well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Clean balcony today.
Yeah.
The beauty of this one, downstairs has got allocated parking straight outside, and that little grey box over there, we're going to put an EV charger in, we've just not got around to it yet.